Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ark Survival Evolved for beginners. Your first steps are crucial for survival. Begin by selecting a safe spawn point, perhaps near a beach, to minimize early dangers. Immediately focus on gathering essential resources like wood from trees and stone from rocks. Use these to craft basic tools, such as a stone pickaxe and hatchet, which are vital for efficient collection. Finally, construct a simple thatch shelter to protect yourself from the elements and early predators. Taming dinosaurs is a core part of Ark. To tame, you first need to render a creature unconscious, often with a slingshot or tranquilizer arrows. Once down, place its preferred food, like medjoberries for herbivores or raw meat for carnivores, into its inventory. Keep it safe from other creatures during this process, as damage reduces taming effectiveness. After it wakes up, craft and equip a saddle to ride your new, loyal companion across the Ark. A strong base is essential for long-term survival. Choose a location with easy access to resources like metal and water, and consider natural defenses. Start with thatch, then quickly upgrade to more durable materials like wood and eventually stone, which offers significantly more protection. Craft several storage boxes to secure your valuable items from decay and other players. Always monitor your character's hunger, thirst, and temperature to avoid unnecessary health loss. As you progress, unlock new engrams to craft advanced items like metal tools, firearms, and more complex structures. Venture into diverse biomes, from snowy mountains to scorching deserts, to discover unique resources and powerful creatures. Always be prepared for dangerous encounters. Some dinosaurs are incredibly aggressive and strong. For a more collaborative experience, consider joining a tribe. Working together with other players can greatly enhance your survival and exploration efforts on the Ark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.